Garage and wall or ceiling rod holder. This rod holder allows you to store 11 rod and reel combos in a variety of positions on the wall or ceiling for maximum storage space. Rods not included. Versatile installation. Organize your fishing rod and reel combos on the wall or ceiling in your garage, shed, or other indoor or outdoor storage area. Innovative design. Adjust the spacing from the bottom and top piece to accommodate your rod length, and the deep grooves allow for the rod to hold securely in place. Easy assembly. Assembly is a stress-free and seamless process, so you can spend less time on assembling and more time out on the water. Efficient rack size. Measures 27 liters x 2.75 w x 1.65 h for a premium storage solution for your fishing gear. Top reviews from the United States. Ideal for tidy storage of treasured rods. This is the second one I purchased. There is already a review for that. Had to wait a while for this one to come back in stock, quite possible due to the virus that we are dealing with at the moment, but it's exactly the same as the first one, which I'm very happy with. Got a few spaces on it, so guess I'm just going to have to invest in some more rods in the near future.